After the pro-government unity in the Judiciary Platform, YBP, failed in its bid to determine the presidents of the three criminal chambers of the Supreme Court of Appeals, the first chamber of the High Court has prepared a draft to switch the current voting system to one that will enable the pro-government bloc to dominate further elections in the High Court, a Turkish newspaper has reported. The Bugün Daily said on Tuesday that the government-backed YBP candidates in the election for the posts of president of the three chambers were not elected after the candidates failed to unite due to a difference of opinion. Following the failure, the first chamber prepared a draft to change the election method by excluding the General Assembly of the Supreme Court of Appeals from having a role in the voting procedure, the Daily wrote. After the Justice and Development Party, AK Party, government seized control of the Supreme Board of Judges and Prosecutors, HSYK, through a change in the law regulating the functioning mechanism of the HSYK in 2014, the members of the government-supported YBP were able to dominate the High Court by securing a majority of members' votes. The proposal, written by Supreme Court of Appeals Secretary General Sebnem Naden, aims to amend the voting system so that the YBP members will dominate further elections, the Bugün report said. The draft has been sent to the presidents of the chambers for their views. The draft proposes that if a candidate for the post of president of a chamber is a member of that same chamber, then the Supreme Court of Appeals president, the Assembly of Criminal Chambers of the High Court and the members of the same chamber will elect the president. If a candidate for the presidency of one chamber is a member of a different chamber, then all the chamber's members and presidents will able to elect that president, the report stated. Under the current system, the chamber's presidents are elected by the General Assembly of the Supreme Court of Appeals after they have gained the support of an absolute majority of members by winning at least 258 of the total 516 members. If the draft is approved by the High Court, then the three presidents of the chambers of the Supreme Court of Appeals will able to determine any chamber president by the votes of the members and presidents from different chambers, a situation that will tighten the government's grip over the High Court.